In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to give you instant free access to a simple automated system that could make you $11,546 in 7 days, the very first time you use it. If you'll just listen in and watch this presentation. So, let's get started. There is only one thing I have to bring up before we go too far, though. The simple system I've developed works so well that if I allow too many people to use it, there is a chance that one bad apple will get in and ruin it for everyone else. And that's why I'm strictly limiting the number of people who can use it. Which means the site may be gone tomorrow, or worse, it may still be here, but you may find it is no longer free and the price tag is unaffordable. Listen, you're about to discover how to finally stack the odds in your favor. How you really can stuff money into your account faster than they can print it, because you no longer have to monitor the investment markets or worry when to enter, exit, or buy. One of the top traders in the world gives it all to you. This is your unique opportunity to lock in free access to the most advanced binary options signal software, no matter where you are in the world. With this proven free software, you get ridiculously lucrative trading opportunities that enable you to make huge gains in a single day. You get to quickly and easily make up 5 times your investment using the most advanced binary option signaling software in the world. You get to leapfrog decades of trading at the top and cash in with the trial and error and massive testing power of Prime Analyst, even if you know diddly squat about binary options. You can make incredible gains, $1,649 in a single day. The proof is endless, and now you can climb aboard the money train. Within the next 7 minutes, you will have the edge. Imagine having access to life-altering profits day after day. While others are stressing, sweating, confused over piles of complicated stats and charts, you'll be watching tick, 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 tick as your profits climb and climb. Welcome to the fastest, most reliable way to tap into the most lucrative market in the world. And once you're in, you'll never want to leave. This is perfect for anyone sick and tired of working too damn hard for measly amounts of cash. It really hurts. There you are, slogging away hour after hour after hour, day by day by day in a mind-numbing day job, giving everything you've got for a lousy paycheck, while others seem to miraculously be raking in a fortune doing very little. You're busy making money for someone else when a select few enjoy money literally raining down on them with very little effort. Were you born unlucky? Is this the life sentence you've agreed to? You were always taught with a job comes security, prospects, a pension, medical insurance, as long as you sign your life away until you're into crippling old age. And with the world as it is today, even your job doesn't provide a safe haven. You glance enviously at the people who sit happily on their cash mountains. Their lives are so easy. How do they do it? How do some people seem to cash in no matter what the state of the economy? And even worse, how come they have something you've desired for so long? Total freedom. Freedom to spend time with their family. Freedom to do what they want with their time. Freedom to buy what they want when they want. Freedom to go on vacation when they want. Freedom to buy the new car, the new house, the new boat, the new clothes that makes them feel good about themselves, superior, richer than you. Freedom to prove the doubters wrong once and for all. You begin to wonder, is there some kind of insider conspiracy the rich are hiding from you? Why are you doomed to slave your life away making money for someone else, when you could be making money for yourself, hand over fist, without any of the crap you get at work? Well, you're about to get the free access to the proven killer trading code and finally unlock your own personal abundance. In the next few minutes, you'll get access to Easy Street. You'll have the key to open the vault and make the kind of money you dream about, the kind of money you know you and your family deserve. Let me explain. You see, There's one market that prospers no matter what's happening in the economy, no matter what's happening to real estate, no matter what's happening to interest rates, no matter who is president, no matter how many wars terrorists start, and no matter how many of those wars we finish, and no matter what happens anywhere in the world. Millionaires are made every single day of every single year, but almost none are made from people who work for other people. No. If that was so, then the stressed-out lemmings would be rich. And they aren't made from people who think they're doomed to be stuck in a day job for eternity. No. The first step is decision, knowing you deserve more and you can have more. But still, quickly as crossing the street, you can skip over to the other side, the better side, the happy side, and join the ranks of those who really do create their own wealth on demand. You see, there is one safe haven where you can create a fortune in your spare time. No, you can't start with nothing. You will need maybe $200 to get started. But you can profit almost instantly. Then you just reinvest it and your profits grow and grow. I'm talking about trading binary options, not some 2-bit investment gamble. Trillions of dollars are traded daily. You can easily extract what's rightfully yours, as long as you know what you're doing. You can't just wade in, flash your cash and expect to be a millionaire overnight. Savvy traders will wipe the floor with you and leave you wiping up your tears. The nest egg you dug up and shoveled in will soon disappear, and you'll be left head down, defeated, angry at an unfair, cruel world. Unless you tap into the power of the most advanced binary trading algorithm in existence that tells you exactly when to enter, when to exit, what to buy at the click of a button. Automated binary software that can effortlessly bring in thousands of dollars over breakfast. This is your time. I'm giving you the upper hand. My name is Philip Green. I've been trading binary options for 2 years and made myself $9,354,900. But I didn't start off with a silver spoon. It's only been 2 years since I was an unemployed loser in the eyes of society. But in my heart and in my soul, I knew I could make it. I tried pretty much everything you can think of, every business opportunity I could find that would let me in. But every time the outcome was the same. My hopes dashed, my pockets scraped bare. My hopes, my dreams smashed again and again. But then I found binary trading, and with my last few dollars and more than 6 whole months of reading, research, and testing, I cracked the code to predicting consistent winners. Winners that brought me $490,000 in just 3 months. But I knew I could take it one step further. I knew I could completely automate my system and make it even more accurate by allowing a computer to run the masses of computations that led to my winners. And that's how I developed Prime Analyst. Prime Analyst is the most effective automated binary trading app there is. All you need to do is click a button and it tells you what to do. It couldn't be any easier. But before we go any further, let's talk about you. Why are you here? Why are you watching this video now? You have to admit it, there's a nagging desire inside you, a feeling that you deserve better, that you deserve to taste the good life, the better things in life, the high life, just like those other guys. They are not better or smarter than you. There is nothing special about them. They just have access to tools and knowledge that you don't. But as you well know, if you were given those same tools, the same knowledge, you'd do just as well. If not, way, way better. And with all that money, you could give your family everything they need, or splash it on yourself, on that new Porsche, that holiday for you and your whole family to Australia. It's like upgrading your life from cattle class to first class. Instantly get my no-brainer cash-generating winning trades handed to you on a silver platter day after day. When I first realized I could compute all my picking calcs using my computer, it didn't hit me how special this was. Look, at first it was for me, to help me, to save time, make more money faster. But then it hit me how this could be life-changing for people just like you, people just like me. But that's no good unless the trades my app hands you are real-time cash machines, right? Well, here's more cold hard evidence.
$1,700 average daily profit. I've been trying to get a good signal provider for about 6 years now, but I've been regularly let down by the companies concerned, and there's never been any wow factor. I had never opened a trading account and gone wow, well that is, until now. It was great the way your team worked closely with me, taking me through the process one step at a time. I am no expert when it comes to online trading, but I knew what I was looking for, so to find Prime Analysts online was great. Thank you very much for making me $43,763 in 60 days.
I made $550 today in 20 minutes. I have not experienced this type of excitement in a long time. From the moment I started trading, I started making money. Prime Analyst has been able to help me become a professional trader in a matter of minutes. Thank you, Prime Analyst.
18,000 in profit crossed yesterday. What can I say? Excellent. Prime Analyst, I would like to thank you and your colleagues for your patient advice to me over the last few weeks and for dealing with the many questions and trading alterations without hesitation. You're truly a professional outfit, and it has been a pleasure doing business with you. I would have no hesitation in recommending this profit pill to my patients.
Look at the results we've had with Prime Analyst. I'm talking 12 trades before you've even woken up. And that's not a fluke. This is on average. Is your mind blown yet? I mean, has your jaw hit the floor? Because it sure as hell should have. Check this out. All you do is click one button. That's it. It's that simple. You cannot go wrong. Seriously. Your ability to profit from this Prime Analyst is only limited by how much time you're able to put into it. But don't get me wrong, this isn't going to take over your life. In fact, just taking an hour a day means you could be seeing profits of $1,649 or more. There's no real manual intervention. Nothing you can do wrong, there's no trickery or magic beans involved. It's just a case of waiting for the app to give you a signal and then clicking the go button. Let me make this crystal clear. You can have instant free access to my Prime Analyst trading app right now and within 24 hours be seeing $1,649 or more in profits from less than an hour's work. Do that 5 days a week for a month and you can see more than $10,000 in profits in your first month, all without breaking a sweat. Sure, that may not yet mean quitting your day job tomorrow, but within a real short time, finally sticking it to your boss can be a real option. And just in case you were wondering about how easy this is, let me just reassure you, anybody can do this. None of what I'm talking about here is difficult or time-consuming. We're talking about an hour or so a day. The more time you invest, the more money you can make. There aren't any setup costs, you won't need to hire any staff, and there's absolutely no need for any fancy equipment. The only thing you need is a little spare time and a willingness to make this work. The Prime Analyst app is a proven and simple way to bring home a lot of extra money. Indeed, it's entirely possible you too will see as much as $11,546 within 7 days. Endless streams of income lie in wait. Now you have the key to claim them. Sure, cash in the binary options market may shift around a little, but it's still there, waiting to be picked up and placed in your pocket. When one currency goes down, another one goes up, and there's money to be made. The real skill comes in knowing when to enter a market and when to exit, not to mention what you should be buying. It takes real skill to be successful at this. Plenty of people have shoveled cash into binary options or used one of those two-bit unproven systems and lost their life savings on a flawed dream. The real traders with real success clean up. and I'm giving you free access to everything I use to do just that, clean up. You can have full access to Prime Analyst for free. And today, I want you to get started and take your first step towards an extra $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, even $11,546,000 in less than a week. But right now, I understand if you're unsure. If you're skeptical, that's good. While you could say Prime Analyst could be considered magic because it gives you the opportunity to make serious money each day, the trading app I'm going to give you access to has made me millions. Are there other binary trading apps out there? Sure, tons of them. But you probably know that binary trading got a bad reputation a few years back. And you can thank unscrupulous gurus and advantage takers who were selling advice, apps and software that frankly wasn't founded on anything that works. Indeed, they can even charge you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars to access their services. Not here. Prime Analyst uses the secret algorithm that has made a fortune. And I'm not charging you a penny to access it. You can have a lifetime license for free. Why for free? Well, look, I've been very fortunate, and it's time for me to give back. I don't need any more money. I have the lifestyle, all the money and cars I need. The less experience you have, the better. Okay, it helps if you know the basics of making a trade. But listen, you'll make more money long-term than some pro trader who's trying to second-guess what the software can do in a millisecond. We've removed the need for any knowledge, for any risk, for any guesswork. Simply follow the trades the software highlights. And that's it. This works wherever you are in the world and whatever experience you have. It's professional binary options trading made accessible to everyone. Now you can reap the rewards like professional traders with only a fraction of their knowledge. Even if you're completely new to binary trading, you can use Prime Analyst for free and start making money today. And it's dead easy to get started. Number 1, enter your details on the form on this page to download your free lifetime user license for the app. Number 2, activate your trading account. Number 3, get trades. Make money. It's so easy, anyone can do it. And all you need to do is click go, and the software does everything. As I said, you don't need a whole lot to be successful with Prime Analyst, but I want to make something very clear to you. While this kind of trading is certainly fun, easy, and profitable, it's not for everyone. It is for those interested in serious extra cash only. Right now, you have the chance to completely transform your life. Look, do you want to carry on in your day job, making money for someone else and never realizing the dreams you had as a kid? I mean, life was meant to be better, easier, more fun than this. Right now, you're just an expendable statistic to whichever faceless corporation you work for. It's time to reclaim your life. It's time to build wealth for yourself, your family, and friends. Because real wealth gives you freedom. Real wealth lets you live life on your own terms. You get to see the places you've always wanted to see, to just buy the things you've always lusted after, and to give yourself and your family the life you deserve. You only get one shot at this. This is not a rehearsal. Why not make the most of it? With Prime Analyst, you're making a positive step towards creating your own personal fortune, and you'll never look back. Let me make this crystal clear to avoid misunderstandings. You can have 100% free access to Prime Analyst. No credit card is needed. 100% of the profits you make are yours. Test Prime Analyst 100% free today. No credit card needed. The only question is, will you step into what you're really worth? Sure, you can carry on as you are, hoping that you'll hit lucky with a trade or seating over stats and searching for the when and how of successful binary options trading. You can carry on along that path, over the course of the next few months or years, end up worse off than where you began. You'll have the odd success, but on average, you're far more likely to be out of pocket. the odds are stacked against you. Unless you take Prime Analyst for a test drive. You don't have to lay any money down. Just watch the trades and get excited when you see one cash explosion after another. Pretty soon you'll want to play with real money, and when you do, the gigantic returns you'll see will change your life forever. Just picture it. It's 10 a.m. and you activate Prime Analyst. You get that rush of adrenaline as you see the golden trades flood in. Sitting back in your leather chair, you imagine what you'll spend your next cash windfall on. But it's not long before another trade, yet more cash. Don't feel guilty about that smug feeling. You took action when others hesitate. Now you're reaping the rewards. The question is, can you afford to pass this up? I urge you, let Prime Analyst help you take control of your financial future now. This is a watershed moment in your life. 3 paths lie before you. 1, you can bury your head in the sand, continue as you are, ignore my offer, and nothing will change for you. 2, you can keep your money on the sidelines and grumble about the puny 1% returns you see on your savings. 3, or you can take control and get the proven one-click automated signals that can catapult your profits with minimum risk. Advice that could make you rich. Frankly, only one of these choices makes any sense at all. Please, for your own sake, secure your free access to my Prime Analyst today. I want to help you set the agenda for your more successful financial future now. The future won't wait until you have enough money to be secure. Why should you wait? Look, you've put this off long enough, and delaying has cost you a bundle. It's time to accept this risk-free invitation to get Prime Analyst.